Welcome to the moment that will define your readiness, not just through what you've memorized, but how you wield the knowledge you've worked so hard to acquire. Today, I want you to channel your inner resilience, much like Nick Vujicic, who teaches us that obstacles are just opportunities in disguise. Imagine yourself as Tony Robbins would, powerful, prepared, and unstoppable. Envision that every page you've turned, every note you've taken, has been a step toward this very day. You are ready. You are capable. As you sit down to take your test, remember Jay Shetty's words, what you focus on grows. Focus on your strengths, your strategies, and your success. Don't let the enormity of the task shadow your capabilities. Les Brown said, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. This test is your moon. Aim high, and even in the hurdles, you will land far beyond average. As you proceed through each question, take it as Simon Sinek advises, start with the why. Understanding why a concept exists or why it's important can help you decipher the how of answering questions about it. And finally, remember that this test is a step on the journey of your education, not the entirety of it. Like Oprah Winfrey inspires us, let this be a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. You've prepared for this. You know more than you think you do. Believe in yourself as I believe in you. Now, go forth and conquer your test. Closing remarks, thank you for joining me today. Remember, every test is a chance to prove to yourself that you are constantly evolving, constantly growing, and endlessly capable of achieving great things. Good luck, and remember, you've got this.